morning, nice restaurant. How may I help you?
I would like to make table reservation, please.
Certainly, sir. May I please to know who I'm speaking to?
Mr. Ignacio.
Mr. Ignacio, should meet this table reservation in your name.
Yes,
When do you want to make reservation, sir?
for tonight.
How many people, Mr. Ignacio?
For one person only.
At what time, Mr. Ignacio?
8 p.m. sir.
Would you like a smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat, table booking.
Okay.
Mr. Ignacio, you are making a table reservation at 8 p.m. One people in the non-smoking area under your name, Mr. Ignacio.
Yes.
Mr. Ignacio, your table reservation has been made. Thank you for calling Nice Restaurant. We are looking forward in welcoming you. Good evening, welcome to Nice Restaurant. May I please to ask, we have a reservation under your name.
Yes, I have a reservation under my name.
Yes, sir. Your table is ready, Mr. Ignacio. Please follow me. May I assist with your table napkin, sir?
Yes, please.
Good evening, Sir Ignacio. Here's our menu for your selection.
Thank you.
These are your choices for appetizer, soup, salad, entries, main dishes, dessert, drinks, bottled water, sodas, juice, teas, coffee, liqueurs, cocktail, mocktail, and wine. For tonight, chef special, we have Greek salad, and for my recommendation, may I suggest roasted chicken as it's the our best seller. I am sorry to inform you that this evening the lobsters is temporarily unavailable. With me, Sir Ignacio, may I suggest a bottle of Bringer Chardonnay, a California wine with a bright zeros and a light apricot profile that will definitely complement with your salmon carpaccio, chicken and mushroom soup, and Caesar salad.
Is that so? Yes, please, a bottle of that.
Noted, sir. On your main dish, sir, how about a glass of Carpenet, Sauvignon of Beringer, a California wine as well, the sweet vanilla and richness of the oak flavor and with a hint of spice is a great pair for your steaks.
Sounds great. May I have a glass of that?
Okay, sir. May I repeat your order for your appetizer? 2 orders of salmon carpaccio. For your second course, 2 chicken and mushroom soup. For salad, 2 orders of Caesar salad. Bringer 39. For your main dish, 2 orders of rib eye steak and a classic way, both medium, 2 glasses of Bringer perfect Sauvignon, and your dessert, 2 slices of cheesecake. By the way, sir, my name is Noel Castro and I will be your servant for tonight. Your order will be served in a while. May I excuse myself for a couple of minutes to place your orders. Thank you, sir. Excuse me, Mr. Ignacio. May I fill with your glass with water?
Yes.
Here's your bread, Mr. Ignacio.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Mr. Ignacio. Here is your complete silverware for tonight orders.
Thank you.
Good evening, Mr. Ignacio. Here's your white wine. Here is your pork, sir. May I pour your one for your sample testing?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, Mr. Ignacio. Here is your appetizer, salmon carpaccio.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Mr. Ignacio. May I take your plate?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Excuse me, Mr. Ignacio. Here is your soup, your chicken and mushroom soup.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Mr. Ignacio. May I take your soup plate?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, Mr. Ignacio. Here is your salad, your Caesar salad.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Mr. Ignacio. May I take your salad plate?
Yes.
Excuse me, Mr. Ignacio. Here is your main dish, your rib eye steak.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Mr. Ignacio. May I take your dinner plate?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, Mr. Ignacio. Here is your dessert, a homemade cheesecake.
Thank you. Waiter, I will pay my orders.
Excuse me, sir. Here is your bill.
Here is my payment for my orders.
I'll see 20 peso. I'll be back in a while for your change and receipt.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. Ignacio. Thank you for your waiting. Here is your receipt and change.
Thank you.
Thank you for dining with us. Please come again and thank you.